Is it illegal to ship an airsoft gun? I mean, they can look identical to firearms, so it has to be illegal, right? Well, it's actually 100% legal in the United States, and you don't need to do anything special to ship them, but we do recommend putting an orange tip on it just to be safe. In fact, thousands of people sell and ship their new and used airsoft guns every single month using an app that I personally love called HopUp. This is hands down the best way to find deals on unique airsoft guns, or even selling your guns and gear that you no longer need. So I wonder,